Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is David here from Jailbreaky.com. Have you ever wanted to unjailbreak your device without using iTunes and you wanted to keep your ability to jailbreak by staying on the same firmware? Well, today I'm going to show you guys a tweak that does exactly that. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, if I go into settings, general, and about, and go to where it says version, it should say 8.4. So this is the latest official firmware as well as the latest jailbreakable firmware. So this is kind of more for the future of this tool anyway. And basically, let's say iOS 9 goes ahead and gets released and it is not jailbreakable. And let's say you're still on 8.3 or 8.4. You have to be on those two versions. You can go ahead and search for Cydia Impactor on Cydia. It's by Jay Freeman himself. So Saurik, he's a great guy, and he went ahead and released this last night actually. So we can go ahead and install this. It's a beta only for iOS 8.3 and 8.4. He says, please send me reports of any issues. Running this tool will destroy all of your data. This is in fact the goal. You should make a backup first. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and plug in your device to your computer, open up iTunes and make a backup that way, or go ahead and open up settings, iCloud on your device, and make sure to back up your device via iCloud on your device. So, after you use this tool, you will have to reactivate your device. If you are logged into iCloud, you will need to have your Apple ID password to get access to your device after it reboots. This tool will not work on the iPod Touch 6th generation as there are no OTA updates for that device yet. Cydia Impactor is a device management tool, blah, 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 and it just talks about a bunch of other stuff. Why would you use this? There are two main reasons for someone wanting to use this. One, if you want to sell your device to someone, but you don't want to upgrade it, as the ability to jailbreak the device is more valuable, but you also want to delete all of your data. Two, you're noticing problems with your setup and you've already, tried a bunch of stuff and you just want to reset and start as new. So those are really the two main reasons why you'd want to do this. So we're going to go ahead and tap modify because I already have this, install, and let's go ahead and just show you guys the installation process. Why not? So like I said, I already have this installed on my device, but we're going to go ahead and show you guys this. And thankfully it doesn't say restart, springboard, reboot. It just says return to Cydia. So after this, we can go ahead and proceed, and we don't have to wait, too much longer in order to go ahead and proceed. So now it says return to Cydia, so we can go ahead and tap on that and go out. And next I'm just going to go ahead and go into settings, and if we scroll down, you guys can see I have barrel, spring to my 3, and activator all installed on my device. So it is jailbroken, as you guys can see, but if we were to go into general, reset, and erase all content and settings on a regular stock device that's unjailbroken, and we went ahead and tapped erase all content and settings, well, it's just going to do what it says. It's going to erase all the content on the device and the settings along with it. But if you try that on a jailbroken device, well, it's just going to send you into a boot loop. So it doesn't work on a jailbroken device by default. So this is just basically a workaround that lets you go ahead and do something like that. So here's the Impactor app. We can go ahead and tap on that to open it. It's on our home screen. So now it says, welcome to Cydia Impactor. Using this tool will destroy all data on your device, revert all changes to files on the device, remove the jailbreak, and return it to stock Apple iOS while preserving your iOS version. Hopefully that's what you're here to do. Before tapping the button at the bottom of the screen, note, you should already have a complete backup of any data you want to keep. The device needs to be connected to the internet, so that is essential. You will need an internet connection to run this properly. The device should not be low on battery. Avoid trying to do anything with the device while Impactor is running. Normal behavior is that Impactor will show lots of text for several minutes and then the device will reboot. iOS will require you to reactivate the device after the reboot, which may require a SIM card and or your iCloud password, and you can use a jailbreaking tool to jailbreak the device again after running Impactor. So I definitely can't stress this enough. If you have any important data or files on your device, it will be deleted with this tool. So make sure you either, one, go ahead and back up your device to a computer, so that could be a Mac like I'm showing you guys on screen because I happen to have that, or a Windows-based PC. It doesn't matter as long as it has iTunes and you're able to back it up, you could do that. or going ahead and going into settings, iCloud, and toggling on iCloud backup. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and open up Cydia Impactor, delete all data and unjailbreak device. It's going to say confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete all data and unjailbreak the device? We're going to go ahead and press delete all. So now it's going to go ahead and run a bunch of code. So this can take several minutes. So for me, I believe in real time, it took about 15-20 minutes to actually complete all of the way. So, I sped this up significantly, but, while all of this is running, go ahead and go to the bathroom, do whatever you want, grab some popcorn, get a cup of coffee, and just sit back and relax while this is working. So 2015 Saurik has been absolutely amazing. It's completely incredible what he's done with the community over the past couple of weeks. From the change from root to mobile and now this, he is doing a really nice job. So anyway, as you guys could see, I have a little bit of a progress bar now on the Apple logo. So it's going to be doing this for you, and I just flipped that over to show you guys. It's not plugged into a computer, so it's not doing this off of a computer. This is real time, or not real time, it's sped up. But this is from it's without a connection. So this is on the device itself, and there you go. So here's the hello screen, so we can go ahead and slide to setup. And to show you guys that it works successfully and I don't have a jailbreak anymore, we're going to say English, United States, choose Wi-Fi network. So I'll be right back in a second after I go ahead and enter that in. So I'm back, and now it says location services, enable. We're going to go ahead and press enable there. We're going to go ahead and say set up as a new iPad because why not? So we're going to skip this step, but you can go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID. But again, I'm going to go ahead and skip the step. Another reason why is because I have two-step verification on, and I really don't feel like doing that. So we're going to go ahead and skip that for now, but you can choose to do what you want. So now you can go ahead and press agree, but I'm going to show you guys. So agree, and then agree under the terms and conditions. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Create a passcode. We're going to say don't add for now, and we're going to say continue. Use Siri. Don't send diagnostics, and there you go. Welcome to iPad, and it's going to say get started. So we're going to go ahead and just tap get started, and there you guys go. So here is my iPad now. It is still on iOS 8.4. I'll show you guys that. It's back to the default wallpaper, and you guys could see there's only one page, whereas before when I started this tutorial, I had multiple pages. I also had some recent contacts and Safari history. But all of that's gone. All of your data that you had previously, if you didn't, back up and you set up as new, all of that's gone because it's a complete restore. So it's pretty cool. This is definitely revolutionary. And you guys can see if I search for Cydia, nothing happens because our device is no longer jailbroken. So there you guys go. So nothing pops up. It says search web and search Wikipedia, but that's not what we want because Cydia is an application, and if we had it and if we were jailbroken, it would show up just by typing CYD probably. But anyway, guys, so yeah, so if we go into settings, general, and about, and then go over where it says software version, you guys can see I am still on 8.4, so that didn't actually change. And if I was on 8.3, I would still remain on 8.32. It's just this was updated. But anyway, guys, yeah, so this is pretty impressive. Personally, I think this will be a lot more useful in the future when iOS 9 drops and the window for the latest jailbreakable firmware has been closed. That would enable anyone who wanted to go back to stock for a little while to unjailbreak and stay on a jailbreakable firmware in case they decide they want to be jailbroken once again. But what do you guys think about this release? Let me know down in the comment area below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it for this video. This is pretty impressive. I was a little bummed out that this tool doesn't work for the iPod Touch 6th generation, as I would have been able to possibly test it out at camp. But don't worry, I'm not leaving just yet. I still have a few more videos planned, so please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to catch them. And also, follow me on Twitter to get notified about when I upload a new video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Catch you in the next one. This is David, signing out. Peace.